I bet your sneeze, Aster, is like, it's you.
What?
Wait, have you sneezed on stream before?
A couple times, yeah. I'm like, if I can like
Arcadia sneeze.
shoot.
Someone has to have clipped it, right?
Just gotta search out my sneeze.
I swear to God, it's like a cute little sneeze like that, probably.
I'm like,
One sec, chat. One sec.
I'm like, "Achoo," or something.
Yeah, he's like, huh, a cat.
I don't care how my sneeze.
100%.
Oh, okay. This one's. There it is.
There we go. Invite you guys.
Hey.
Wait, y'all had a whole Twitter conversation about this?
About sneezing?
Oh, Maria said, I want to hear
Oh.
Aster sneeze. Someone please clip it.
Oh yeah.